the city when the lights go down. Crime is creeping, lurking round. But don't you fear, justice is near, and it's coming in a way that's kinda weird. There's a rodent in black with a belt so tight, he moves like a shadow in the dead of night. And by his side with a fearless grin is a man with a cape and a bucket of wings. Oh, black hamster and chicken wing, taking down the trash and making villains scream. You can run, you can hide, but you won't escape their might. 'Cause justice comes in all sizes, even bite-sized. Dr. Dumpster Fire, burning with rage, unleashed his bots, took center stage. Flames and metal, chaos and grime, but the hero stepped up, now it's hamster time. Black hamster scurried, climbed the wall, dropped a pellet bomb and watched it fall. Boom, one down, one to go. Chicken Wing said, let's make it snow. Extra crispy, coming right up. Chicken wings got frozen steel, frozen like darts, man, that's unreal. Buffalo blast, straight to the face, dumpster fires down. Disgrace! Oh, black hamster and chicken wing, cleaning up the streets with explosions in May. You can scoff, but they'll always pull it off. 'Cause justice comes in all sizes, even snack sized. So when trouble's near and the night feels grim, just remember these two and sing this hymn. They may be strange, but they always win. Black hamster and chicken wing. Black hamster and chicken wing, cause justice comes in all sizes, even snack sized. So when trouble's near and the night feels grim, just remember these two and sing this hymn. They may be strange, but they always win. Black hamster and chicken wing. Hamster and chicken wing.